Transport and Communication established on March 24, 1962, is the first university in Vietnam training grid road construction engineers to meet the urgent needs of infrastructure development at that time. In the recent years, with a high-quality human resources team, a strong system of faculties and scientific research center, and reputable technology transfer, the university has become a leading higher education institution in the field of transport in the country and in the region. The Faculty of Civil Engineering was established in November 1961. After more than 60 years of construction and development, the Faculty of Civil Engineering has affirmed its prestige in teaching scientific research, technology transfer in the field of transport construction engineering, including work such as bridges, highways, and railways. Currently, the Faculty of Civil Engineering offers 2 undergraduate majors, 2 master programs, and 4 doctoral programs. The Transport Construction Engineering is a traditional major which was developed in the early years of its establishment and engaged more than 90% of the lecturer and learner at the Faculty of Civil Engineering. With a scale of more than 2,500 undergraduate students, 100 graduate students, and 40 PhD students. After graduating from the university, the student majoring in transport construction engineering work in domestic and international design consultancy, supervision consultancy, transport construction, and management units. They can participate in research and teaching at research institute and university colleges in the field of transport construction engineering, as well as involving management affairs in transport infrastructure agencies. The rate of graduates getting job after 1 year reached over 90%, showing the role of training capacity of the faculty in the current education sector.
The vision of the civil engineering faculty is to provide students with both technical and ethical value to serve the societies, to make the faculty a center of excellence in the field of civil engineering for both practical and fundamental research. The graduated students from the faculty will be able to provide the technical skill and knowledge-based services to the society, to the region, and also to the world.
Regarding the faculty and staff, the Faculty of Civil Engineering consists of 12 departments and 1 administrative office with 194 people, including 4 professors, 39 associate professors, 59 PhD, 87 master, and 5 administrative officers. The percentage of lecturers with a PhD degree or higher is 54%. With a large number of staff and faculty members, the Faculty of Civil Engineering make great contribution to the university's scientific research and technology transfer in the field of transport construction engineering. The number of scientific articles published in international journal, ISI, as Scopus, international conferences and domestic journals account for about 30% of those of the whole university, which confirm the important role, expertise, and high capacity of the faculty members, staff, and students. In the field of technology transfer, lecturers of the faculty have participated in major projects of the transport industry, such as Thăng Long Bridge Deck Rehabilitation Project, Bạch Đằng Bridge Project, Nội Bài Airport Project, and so on. These are all keywords that help connect major regions with each other, thus enhancing the precision and image of the country with international friends. With the training program developed in the direction of modern equipment after CDIO standard, students of transport construction engineering can study, practice, and perform in the most modern laboratories and facilities. The faculty's laboratory and facility system is equipped with modern equipment at both locations. main campus in Hanoi and campus in Ho Chi Minh City. This laboratory focuses on 4 important areas in civil engineering: design and manufacture of building construction materials, properties and mechanical behavior of construction material, structural behavior, surveying and monitoring. The laboratory serves directly for students' training activities, where students can practice, do basic research and experience the theoretical knowledge in the training program. The following is Introduction of each laboratory. Hydraulic universal testing device, pure rotary bending fatigue testing device, vibration testing device, digital dynamic strain meter, spring harness test device. Mechanics of materials is an important subject of transport construction engineering. In order to better understand the subject, students can directly implement experiment on determining the mechanical properties of engineering materials, mechanical behavior of bars subjected to axial loading, pure torsion, in-plane pure bending, out-plane bending at Mechanical of Material Laboratory, with a group of 3 to 5 students with different experiments relating to the main content of the subject. It is also a chance for students to improving the teamwork skill. The main equipment of the laboratory includes hydraulic universal testing device, pure rotary bending fatigue testing device, vibration testing device, digital dynamic strain meter, spring harness test device. The knowledge of hydraulics play an important role, helping transport construction engineers for analyzing and designing stream crossing, such as bridges, culverts, spillways. The hydraulic and hydrology laboratory helps students practice experiment in the hydraulic motion of transport construction engineering. Students are organized experiment in group of 3 to 5 people, measured and recorded. Empirical result allows students to analyze and discuss in the report. The main equipment of the laboratory includes the Geotechnic Laboratory helps students practice and determine physical and mechanical properties of soil. There's important parameter for designing foundation of work, such as bridges, roads, infrastructure, as well as necessary in problem of soft soil treatment. Construction of retaining wall. In the laboratory, students work in a group of 5 people, perform basic experiment in the practical program of soil mechanic motion. The laboratory facilities include liquid limit equipment, odometer test, direct shear machine, triaxial machine, CPR test, hand tooling equipment. Construction material are important basic subject for students of the transport construction engineering. Students will better understand the knowledge of this subject through practical experiment. Other construction material laboratory, such as properties and specification of materials, such as bitumen, asphalt mixture, Portland cement, and concrete. Here, students can directly practice the design and manufacture of asphalt mixture, concrete, and perform experiment to evaluate their physical, mechanical, and durable properties. The main equipment include Turing maps are important documents using for the design stage of construction, such as bridge, road, tunnel, and so on. Besides, surveying work also play an important role in order to ensure the precision of the construction stage. Therefore, the surveying laboratory is well equipped with all the required instruments and tools that are helpful in the overall understanding and practical knowledge of a student. Students are taught technique for gathering food later. With both traditional and modern instruments, the typical instruments include according to the learning program, the inside practical subject teaches students introduction of instrument, how to use digital theodolite for measuring angular and using automatic lever for measuring elevation. Sequentially, the outside practical subject teaches students how to apply instrument for establishing marble construction area, as well as how to make measurement in the construction stage. Similar to the main campus outside Hanoi, at the University of Transport and Communication campus in Ho Chi Minh City, Ho Chi Minh campus laboratory system is designed, built, and installed by the university with modern equipment to provide fun conditions for teaching experiment. For students majoring in transport construction engineering, the system of engineering laboratories at the campus include Mechanical Material Laboratory, Soil Mechanics Laboratory, Construction Material Laboratory, Surveying Practice Laboratory, On-site Experiment Laboratory. In addition, the Faculty of Civil Engineering also has a system of specialized laboratories where scientific research activities of student, in-depth study of graduate student, PhD student and lecturer. The specialized laboratory system is also the place for technology transfer in the field of transport construction. The UTC CIENCO4 Key Laboratory is a laboratory specialized in asphalt material. The in-room equipment allows testing from the level of component material, asphalt, mineral powders, rock aggregates to the mixed level and the pavement coating texture level. The laboratory is also the place of practice for professional laboratory motions. The laboratory's equipment system include the International Standard IEC 17025-2005 Civil Engineering Laboratory, located in Building A10, includes test equipment and system for studying the behavior of material and structure used in building construction. The laboratory's equipment allows state-of-the-art tests to be performed in samples as large as reality. This is one of the most modern civil engineering laboratories in Vietnam. The laboratory not only supports undergraduate and postgraduate training in transport construction engineering, but also effectively support a number of research projects conducted by scientists, lecturers, and students. The laboratory has outstanding laboratory devices as follows. The key laboratory for bridges and structurists will be invested in 2021 with 20 systems of advanced and specialized high-tech experimental equipment to help students, graduates, PhD students conduct experiments, difficult measurements, and complex assessment of structural and material behavior in the specialized subject of the training program. The laboratory has the following outstanding devices. We understand a comprehensive student, a highly capable person, must harmoniously combine professional factors and communication skill as well as good health. Therefore, the faculty always encourage students to participate in useful extracurricular activities to help them have the best spirit to absorb knowledge. In order to help students have a good learning environment, to meet the output standard according to CDIO standard, The Faculty of Civil Engineering is always interested in student activities. The youth union, student union, and clubs are always encouraged to organize activities for students to improve soft skills for students. Outstanding scientific research activities of the faculty can be mentioned. Student scientific research activities, Students' Mechanic Olympiad, Innovative Construction Competition. Along with that are special art and physical activities, sport art activities, student festival. Finally, it is indispensable to build a good personality for each person. Activities for the community, typically making chung cake for Lunar New Year, volunteer activities.
Now I'm working as a bridge design engineer at the International Consulting Division of TEDI, and the time studying at the Faculty of Civil Engineering of University of Transport and Communications, I had many opportunities to work with talented and well-oriented teachers, and I also had chance to approach modern facilities, and I could also enhance my soft skills and English, and all of those skills were really helpful and useful for my future career. And I'm so proud of being one of the elements of the Faculty of Civil Engineering and the University of Transport and Communications.
During my time studying at university, I had many learning opportunities with modern equipment, experience useful internship, and participate many activities organized by the Faculty of Civil Engineering. I realized that achieving the result now, working at one of the top construction corporations, is due to efforts from the learning process. Along with that is the quality of teaching work of the Faculty of Civil Engineering. Finally, I am proud to have studied here.
The Faculty of Civil Engineering uses the university's common facility system with modern classroom equipped with smart interactive whiteboard, projector, internet, air conditioners, digital library system with large, clean and beautiful space, paying attention to physical training for students. The university has developed a system of sport field such as athletic, football, table tennis, badminton, gym club. Over 60 years of construction and development, the Faculty of Civil Engineering always carries with its the vision of becoming a modern, high-quality training and research institution, affirming its leading position in the field of transport construction engineering in Vietnam, and successfully built in a reputation in the Asia region.